Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something truly exciting for all of you dreamers, seekers, and road trip junkies. This is the ultimate breakdown of the one and only 2026 perfect camper. We're not talking about a camper van that's just good enough, we're talking about a rig so ideally tuned to modern exploration, comfort, and eco-balance it practically reads your mind. So buckle up, because this journey is about to redefine how you think of adventure on wheels. Picture this, a crisp dawn light peeking through tinted panoramic windows, a gravel road winding through pine-shadowed hills, and you, a foot touching dew-layered grass, breathing deep the morning mountain air. That's where our story begins, because this camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a sanctuary, a workshop, a safe haven, and a gateway to the wild, all wrapped in sleek, aerodynamic design. It's equally at home parked lakeside as it is driving through nothing but endless desert highway, and it never compromises comfort or purpose. Let's dive in. Start with the exterior. We're staring at a smooth, sculpted composite shell that marries lightweight carbon fiber panels with aluminum exoskeleton framing. That means it's both rugged and surprisingly nimble, keeping weight down without sacrificing strength. Whether climbing steep inclines or parking on soft sand, the body resists dents, corrosion, and campfire sparks. The roof extends into a wide pop-up canopy that doubles as solar array housing, balanced for off-grid power, yet deployable in seconds. Every surface is hydrophobic and self-cleaning. After a dusty trek through backcountry roads, a bit of rain or a quick spray leaves it gleaming, ready for selfies and scenic shots. Let's roll those all-terrain wheels. These aren't your typical off-road tires, they're airless, run-flat units that adapt their shape for traction. Whether you're crawling rocks or gliding through mud, they stay intact and dissipate heat effectively. And surrounding those, you'll find an adaptive suspension with hydraulic lift and stabilizers, lowering for highway cruising and raising for ground clearance on rough trails. The smart tech inside even learns your routes and adjusts ride stiffness dynamically for best handling and comfort. Now inside, step in and breathe it all in. The interior is minimalistic yet organic, with warm wood veneer surfaces, matte stone effect countertops, and upholstery and recycled performance fabrics that resist stains and odors. Ambient LED lighting shifts through a palette that supports relaxation or wakefulness, controlled manually or set on circadian rhythm software that matches sunrise and sunset where you are. The floor plan is open yet flexible. A transformable sofa bed that converts from lounge to queen size in seconds, a lightweight table that slides out to form a workspace or dining setup, and hidden storage compartments everywhere, floors, benches, walls. Even vertical bike mounts slide out of sight when no